Okay, so we are back. So we have his head, we have his hat, we have his button nose, we have his body. So now we're going to do his eyes. Now we're going to do his eyes. His two eyes are going to be made out of coal. So we're going to probably use one of the under shape generators, the Tinkercad community. There are these objects that we can use that won't be perfect spheres. It'll look more like a lump of coal. Okay, so I'm going to use the asteroid object. Okay, and we're going to drop the coarseness down. Okay, and let's just squash it a little bit. Okay, make it a little asymmetrical. All right, and then we're going to change the color. So we'll change it to a gray, dark gray. Okay, and then we're going to hold Shift. And we're going to scale it down. Okay. I'm going to hit F to frame. Okay. We'll move it up. It's a little big, so let's select the corner. Okay, select the corner, hold Shift, and we'll drag in. You can use the arrow keys to kind of position it. Okay. Slide his eye down a little bit. Just move it out. Alright, so I'm going to change the snap grid in the lower right corner. Go to 0.25, and then I'm going to use the arrow key again. I have more precision now. There we go. Okay. Can even make this a little smaller. Hold Shift, left mouse button. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to see if we can have a little more fun with this piece of coal. So let's try dropping the number of divisions down. There we go. That works. All right. So now we're going to select it again. We're going to duplicate it. Edit, duplicate. Let's just slide it over. And let's just rotate it a little bit. That's good. All right. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Probably move this in just a teeny bit. There. Okay. All right. We got his two eyes of coal. And now we'll put in his mouth next. See you then.
Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.